Good afternoon and Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make a DC motor circuit. We will need a 9-volt battery, a DC motor, and guess what? A resistor? Yes, but not this one this time. We will need a special resistor, the photoresistor. You know what? It has a specialty. Guess what? The specialty is that it can control the power it supplies. So now, we will connect the positive terminal to the terminal 2 of the photoresistor, and the terminal 1 of the photoresistor will be connected to the terminal 2 of the DC motor. Now it's simple. Terminal 1 of DC motor will go straight to the negative terminal of the 9-volt battery. And now we'll start simulation. And look, it's so slow. We don't want it slow, but guess what? We can control it. If we move it here, and as you can see, it's going fast, slow, fast, and slow. The maximum power the photoresistor provides is 1973 RPM, and the minimum value is 6 RPM. So this was all for today. Hope you learned something new. Allah Hafiz.